Read and comprehension. Let's go. It's your reading time. Question number 1. Birthday party. Peter went to Sam's birthday party. The party was on Sunday. It was at Sam's house. There were many kids at the party. They ate cake and sweets. They played games and it was very funny. It's your turn to read aloud. Start. It is your quiz time. Are you ready? Number 1. Who did go to the birthday party? Correct answer is Peter went to the party. Question number 2. When was the birthday party? Correct answer is it was on Sunday. Question number 3. Where was the party held at? Correct answer is it was held at Sam's house. Question number 4. What did the students eat? Correct answer is they ate cake and sweets. Question number 5. Was the party funny? Correct answer is yes, it was. Question number 6. What did they play? Correct answer is they played games. Well, let's move to our next question. The penguin. The penguin is a bird. But it cannot fly. It is black and white in color. It likes to glide on ice and jump into cold water. It can swim very fast. It eats fish. It lives in cold climate. It's your turn to read aloud. Start. It is your quiz time. Are you ready? Question number 1. What does this passage talk about? The correct answer is it is about the penguin. Question number 2. What is the color of penguin? The correct answer is it is black and white in color. Question number 3. What does it like to do? The correct answer is it likes to glide on ice. And it likes to jump into cold water. Question number 4. Can it swim very fast? The correct answer is yes, it can. Question number 5. Where does it live? The correct answer is it lives in cold climate. Question number 6. What does it eat? The correct answer is it eats fish. Great, you are wonderful.
Wow!
Let's meet with our next video. Hope you enjoyed and practiced well. Thank you.